I'm involved in all of the movements of any products ever created in Qure. We sell across multiple sales channels. We started out, of course, with Shopify. We moved on to Amazon and TikTok Shop. We also have different stock location. We have currently US, UK, and some location in China as well. We have also been growing in terms of wholesales. We are in talk with some of the big retailers names right now in Europe. So it's constant and it is very fast. We had growth of nearly 200% compared to 2024, and we're aiming to keep the same momentum. We had some problems with the procurement. It never connected in one place. It's just a lot of spreadsheet. Basically, all of the plannings, all of the procurement, all of the import tracking lives in spreadsheet, and it's just it worked for just one or two SKUs, but when it started to grow bigger, we just can't keep up with the manual updates, and we just don't see everything in one place. For Fulfil, it's just like one place where it connects all of the dots. Before, we were just using Google Sheets to create purchase order, to track shipments, and it's just opening up one after another and just different numbers. Right now, we're just having everything in one place and it connects to each other. It just links everything to each other. And that visibility that Fulfil provides, it's very valuable to me because I definitely save a lot of time before browsing through different folders, different sheets, and stitching them together. That's take half a day of work. Now I'm just clicking and just going next to the next options available. The big unlock is definitely when we connect directly with Amazon. So Amazon no longer goes through Shopify, so it goes directly into Fulfil. And we have a separation. We have like a very clear sales channels because as we all know, different sales channel, different locations, we have different targets, we have different audience. And with that, in Fulfil, everything is in one place. We will be able to identify these patterns, and then our business will be able to decide what kind of marketing, when is the right time, and what product is actually more relevant to what channel. And especially when it comes to TikTok, there was a point when TikTok Shop was connected to Shopify. We had so much problems with the order syncing, product syncing. It's almost like every day we have a bunch of orders that could not import it. That meant manual work, manpower's effort to put into something of fixing instead of actually proactive. So once we connected to Fulfil, everything is mapped into just one single source of truth. We never have to really manage listing everywhere. It just flow into the system, Fulfil, and then we send it to the 3PL as we need to. And that's reduced time, that's reduced effort, and that's really important for us to keep on time of our SLA with these sales channels. Because of the SLA being really good, we are able to grow and we are able to extend. We also are able now to give the flexibility of splitting shipments, customer shipments, and that is something that is not possible with only Shopify alone. I know that they had some sort of order routing set up, but it's rigid. It's just not as what a Fulfil is able to do. So yeah, the flexibility of order splitting with availability, it's one of the big thing that I can say that Fulfil is very unique and very good at. I really appreciated when we have a very structured onboarding schedule. We have a schedule. What do we need to focus on this week? Are we done with this? What else do we need to do? I really like that. That is very for me. It has been, and it still is, a great learning curve for Qure as a whole. And for me personally, because I understand Fulfil so much. And by understanding the system, it's just like great to show the ability of the implementation team, how well they educate the clients. I would say for any new clients or anyone who wants to onboard with Fulfil, it really works. It's a very solid system.